Over 25 years ago, Jeff Bezos was hand-packing books in his Seattle garage. Today, he's operating a global powerhouse worth more than $1.5 trillion. Tomorrow, Amazon is poised to be the framework of our entire civilization. From Alexa to self-flying drones, colossal fulfillment centers, and its very own airline, Amazon's collection of high-tech innovation continues to grow. But as more and more money is funneled into the company, and as thousands more of us become reliant on its services every single day, before we know it, we'll be living in cities completely run by Amazon. What would that lifestyle look like? And would it be better or worse off for the technological revolution? Today, Amazon dominates the world of e-commerce. It's one of a finite cluster of trillion-dollar companies, and its influence on technology and the world around us won't be slowing down anytime soon. But Amazon wasn't always a global powerhouse. Back when it was originally known as Cadabra, Jeff Bezos' latest business was over its head in risk. When he started the company in 1994, little did he know that groundbreaking trajectory it would soon take. When Jeff Bezos launched Amazon as an online bookseller, he didn't think success was likely. He thought there was just a 30% chance of everything working out, even warning his parents that they were highly likely to lose their $200,000 investment. With 1 million employees under his wing, the title of the richest man on earth, and an ever-growing list of innovative tech features, clearly the success came in droves. Within that list, you'll find one particular, albeit lesser-known Amazon experience that has room to grow and drive us toward a more accessible world of transportation. We're talking, of course, about Amazon vehicles. Tesla might top the brunt of the attention, but as we've learned time and time again, Bezos' ability to infiltrate a space is not to be underestimated. As it stands, Amazon operates the Amazon Vehicles subdivision. If you've never seen or used it, Amazon describes its vehicle service as a car research site that makes it easy for car shoppers to get the information they need when shopping for a new ride. But the future of Amazon Vehicles looks a whole lot different. In June of 2020, the company announced it was buying Zoox, an autonomous ride-hailing startup. Among Zoox's inventions, they've been developing a bi-directional vehicle. It has no steering wheel or obvious front or back end, allowing it to comfortably travel in either direction. This ambitious acquisition could put the tech giant in the business of moving people and not just packages sooner rather than later. By taking the vehicle one step further and integrating it with Amazon Alexa, the idea of a fully interconnected world comes one step closer. If Alexa knows your calendar, a car would be ready for you, outside your home, at the perfect time, taking into account all sorts of variables to get you to your destination on time, including traffic and weather. Speaking of homes, in the same vein as Amazon's vehicles department, they're already well and truly creating a presence in the housing and residency space. Although compared to the e-commerce and dropshipping sections of the company, it's a minor proportion. From 2013 to 2018, American industry revenue for pre-built homes grew at 8.6 every year to nearly $10.5 billion. Seeing this trend in motion, Bezos capitalized. Far more than books, clothes, and electronics, Amazon has started to sell its very own homes. Recently, we've seen this 1,000 square foot Eco House Smart Timber home listed on Amazon for about $40,000. This 113 square foot Lil Villa Escape for about $5,000. And this 292 square foot Lil Villa Allwood Gateway Cabin for $19,000. With tiny houses becoming all the rage, Amazon has partnered with multiple manufacturers to create DIY tiny homes. All you need is a plot of land with some time and elbow grease, and you've got your very own home. What could an Amazon house look like in the future? Think of these ready-to-made structures combined and synchronized with the state-of-the-art Alexa and Amazon technology. It would bring us one step closer to a centralized digital world, where the coffee starts brewing once the sun's up, where Alexa assesses your smart wardrobe and plans your outfits based on the temperature. We all know that Amazon already has hordes of customers, boasting over 150 million Amazon Prime subscribers. When any customer makes an order, their package is transported at rapid speed from warehouses and fulfillment centers using robots and streamlined operations technology. While the delivery methods have changed and advanced tenfold since the company's inception, in recent years, thanks to what Bezos calls Prime Air, the quality and speed of delivery has been taken to a whole new level. In a nutshell, Prime Air is all about one piece of technology: unmanned serial vehicles, better known as drones. The drone delivery system is designed to safely get packages to customers in 30 minutes. It's already a remarkable service. However, there is plenty more innovation in the pipeline. Amazon currently has 3 drone-related patented ideas, the first of which comes in the form of a blimp, which will act as a flying warehouse. The blimp will float around to the delivery area. Meanwhile, drones will headquarter themselves on the blimp and glide down to deliver the package. Less drone travel time and distance equates to more energy saved. Patent number 2 will see drones perch themselves on top of streetlights fitted with special docking stations. This will allow for charging when not in use. The streetlight platform will have a trap door, allowing the package to slide down to street level. Amazon's third concept is what's known as the beehive. Instead of large, flat, single-story fulfillment centers outside of major cities, the vertical beehive will sit within city centers, allowing drones to fly in and out. Of course, whether it be drones, self-driving cars, or smart houses, all of Amazon's products and services will rely on their extensive tech platform, Amazon's Alexa, which runs on AI technology, is the center of it all. It is capable of everything from telling jokes to playing music, putting together your to-do lists, and giving updates on weather, traffic, flights, and breaking news. But Alexa is far more than a virtual assistant. The AI can also control smart devices throughout the home, or the car, or your phone. Alexa acts as a motherboard to the home automation system. While these traits come with exceptional benefits, many people criticize Amazon for its collection of data. With Alexa active, Amazon can track everything from our behavior to our location, how fast we drive, how slow we run, our spending habits, and even our sleeping habits. If you've ever been talking about a product with a friend only for an ad to pop up on your computer, it's because Alexa is listening. Then there's another tech can of worms, AWS, or Amazon Web Services. This arm of the business, in their own words, offers reliable, scalable, and inexpensive cloud computing services. It's free to join, and you pay only for what you use. If it's free and the appeal of this cloud platform continues to grow, who's to say that Amazon won't soon control substantial portions of the entire internet? With Alexa gaining intelligence with every update, and with Amazon's technology only going one direction, up, an Amazon city is beckoning, and it promises to be immersive, unlike anything we've seen before. But is that a good thing or a bad thing? We'll leave that up to you. Besides its array of cloud systems, Amazon also boasts actual physical stores. Weird, right? They operate 7 types, including booksellers, grocery pickup locations, and cashierless convenience stores. Amazon also owns Whole Foods, which sports 500 locations in its own right. As Amazon is creating its own digitally connected cities, it's growing its street-side presence as well, with an intended reliance on Amazon Sidewalk. That's not a smart sidewalk, although that kind of technology wouldn't be too far away. Sidewalk is Amazon's own version of Wi-Fi, promising longer range than both traditional Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, with minimal power usage and complexity. With Sidewalk, Amazon is allowing us to be connected wherever we are. No longer will we be reliant on public Wi-Fi or walk around desperately in search of the strongest connection. With Sidewalk, the connection will follow you. If all this talk of drones of street lamps and self-driving cars and an Amazon-run Earth is a little too uncomfortable or a little too intimidating, fret not, because there is a solution. You could always head to Jeff Bezos' future city on the moon. The Blue Moon project is aiming to land in 2024. Or if you want to be rid of Amazon altogether, then hey, why not check out Elon Musk's proposed civilization on Mars? Does the idea of a totally interconnected world run by Amazon scare you? Or are you excited for the technology to come? Let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to